Greetings to all of you out there. This is Chief's Wednesday video. I know last Wednesday you guys were on the edge of your seat waiting for the Wednesday video, but due to the fact that I was in Dubai for ReVCon, I decided to get Vicky Ras, my head of communication, to work out something, and we plucked a video from VJakarta, all right, which was about challenges. Well, it's Tuesday midnight in the office in Malaysia. ReVCon Dubai was unfreaking believable. All right, it was 3,000 of the most excited, psychotic, crazy dreamers I've seen in a long time. We had a great time. It was good to be back in Dubai. Did a lot of shopping, all right, which you have seen on my Facebook, and spent a lot of time with the leadership. Now, it's the 1st of October today, so when you watch this video tomorrow, being Wednesday, it'll be the 2nd of October. It's the beginning of the last quarter of the year. Now, when I was actively networking and building my business, when I was actively building and, you know, it hurts. I pulled out some skin or something. I don't have time to go for manicure, pedicure and all that stuff. So when I was actively building my business, we're not going to edit that, by the way. So, when I was actively building the business, Dave, you know, I always focused on the last quarter. The last quarter of the year is the make or break quarter of the momentum of the following year. Understand this, okay? You kick off the first quarter, which is always a bit shaky because everyone comes back after Christmas, New Year, they're lazy, morons, overweight, ate too much food, and they're all lazy, and they always feel that, oh, I made resolution, New Year, and they never stick to resolution. You work really hard, get the momentum up. Second quarter is always exciting because we have a lot of events and VCon is happening. So there's a lot of build-up, crazy excitement. And the third quarter, the V is all over the world. We're doing a lot of stuff and we keep the momentum up. And then it comes to last quarter. And last quarter, for some reason, human beings are morons and they all feel they deserve to slow down. It's the end of the year. I worked hard for 9 months. So let's chillax a little bit. Chillax is a young, youthful term which you old people will not know. It's chill and relax together, being chillax. The younger generation will understand how attuned I am with the youthful people. So then you come to the last quarter and you completely start to slow down. For some reason you feel like you deserve a break, and that's total absolute garbage. There are no breaks. There's no switching off until you're financially free. 15 years I've been working hard every single day. Why? Oh my God, it's bleeding now. Okay, why? Why I've been working hard for 15 years? Because I realized that you're not supposed to eat BioSilver gel, but I do. It's actually completely safe to eat, but QNet cannot tell you that, so I'm telling you that unofficially. Eat BioSilver gel. It's good for your health. I haven't fallen sick for years. All right? And why people start to feel that they deserve to switch off? Because they think it's coming to the end of the year. And 15 years, I've never switched off. I realized the key secret to success in network marketing is never switching off. So if you ask me, besides my amazingly good looks, all right, the other secret of my success is never switching off. That's it. Don't tell the world. Keep it between you and me. I just never switched off. I showed presentations every day. I met my downlines every day. I'm as excited as I am today as I was 15 years ago. You can ask my downlines from 15 years ago. All right. So now the last quarter, you have to create excitement in your organization. You have to raise the bar higher. All right. You got to launch a campaign, launch a promo internally. Just create a lot of excitement. And don't allow people to switch off. Now, everyone is going to come to you and say, Christmas vacation, children have school break and all that. I agree. All right. It's a bit complicated, but try to weave in QNet at every angle. Children go holiday, follow them. All right, if your downline and kids are going for holiday, follow them and ask them to start prospecting in the country or their destination of their vacation. All right, if they want to have family dinners and all that, attend the family dinners and then slowly take out the whiteboard, put it up on the dining table and say, everyone stop eating your turkey. Turkey is Thanksgiving, not Christmas. I'm a vegetarian, I wouldn't know. And then start showing the plan. Presentación, presentación, presentación. Bottom line, the next 90 days, let's rock and roll. Let's raise the bar higher, all right? Because this is not a seasonal business. Network marketing is a perpetual business, like a good automatic watch. You understand? It's a perpetual business, Okay, it keeps going and going and going. And as the seasons change, holiday seasons come, you raise the bar higher. All right, to prevent the drop. Okay, naturally there will be a drop during holiday seasons, school seasons. Now, secondly, at ReVCon Dubai, I realized that everyone is going through challenges, okay? Different types of challenges in your respective markets. Some of your downlines are switching off. Some of your uplines are morons. Some of you have product focus, so you're waiting for the products to come, all right? Some of you have challenges with media, negativity about the industry, all that nonsense. It happens. But I realized that a lot of people overreact to it. Oh my God, Chief, there's negative news in the newspaper. But then I keep telling them, guys, this is normal. 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 That's what you have to remember. Because everything you're going through right now, whatever challenges you're going through, I went through everything. All right? But it's normal. In an industry like ours, there is a norm. The norm is the world will never understand us. All right? And you said, why not, Chief? We are F1 sponsors, Hong Kong headquarters, QI Tower, network marketing. Wake up and smell the coffee, guys. I have school teachers today who drive Mercedes. I have sales reps today driving Ferraris. I've got people who've never been on the plane and today flying first class. Now, any industry that creates wealth of that magnitude is going to be scrutinized and disliked by the normal people who go to work, come back home every day. All right, so this is what we do. This is who we are. And we should be damn proud of it and face the music as it comes. And when you face the music, in between managing the challenge, dance a little bit. Because you belong to the greatest industry in the world and you belong to the greatest company in the world called QNet. All right, and the day you decide to sign up and take the business seriously, I think you made the best, most unbelievable decision you've ever made in your life. Right? Then at ReVCon, we spoke about a lot of things, a lot of excitement. Then I realized the future of network marketing. As you know, all right, the industry is growing bigger and bigger, and QNet is becoming stronger and stronger every day. And you must keep up with the pace. Okay, I was just talking to a group of leaders earlier here before the camera got switched on, and I told them that one thing never fails in network marketing. Do everything big, bigger, and biggest. Right? Don't do anything small and quietly. Make a lot of noise. Announce your arrival. You start a new market, do a business presentation with 1,000 people. Doesn't matter. Create enough excitement because human beings are attracted to excitement. All right? Think about yourself. You walk past a mall and you see some guy doing some kind of demo with a product and he's singing songs, there's loud music, and you naturally gravitate towards that person and you stand there like a person in a trance and you're staring like, wow. You don't know what it is. You know you don't need it, but you end up buying it. Why? There was a lot of excitement created around it. Network marketing is loud, exciting, colorful, and loud. Did I say loud? Loud again. Okay? And that's what network marketing is. So guys, if you're quiet, become louder. If you're afraid of excitement, start getting exciting. Because this is what the industry we belong to. The products are great from QNet. The business opportunity is unbelievable. Financial freedom is your dream. All of these ingredients put into a pot and staring at it will not help. You got to light a fire right under the pot, and that's called passion and excitement. Without passion, without excitement, there is no success in network marketing. And all of you belong to different organizations like, Infinity, all right, Pathfinders, Fly Team, Gen-Gold, Titans, you understand not, all right, Pathfighters, okay, you got Eagles, you got so many teams around Anatolian Pass in Turkey, Unstoppable Unicorn, Unstoppable Rhino, all right, okay, Wave 15, okay, you got so many teams. I spoke to a team in Armenia called Oxygen, unbelievable. There's so many teams around the world. Okay, now those of you all who I didn't mention your team, I love you. I just can't mention 365 teams, okay? All right? But the success of the team depends how attractive the team is. Okay, you got to be attractive. You got to be constantly attractive. So people are drawn to you like bees to honey, all right? Or flies to that fly trap neon light and then they get zapped. And here they get zapped with passion and excitement and they become financially free. It's such a violent description. Okay. However, excitement and passion is what makes your organization attractive. That's what the V is about. All right. You don't come to a V event and sit down there and say, lovely, it's quite a well-organized event. You cannot. even the most boring person from the UK, cup of tea, will be sitting there day one and controlling himself. Oh my, why are these people jumping and dancing like crazy? By day two, the guy is on the chair screaming like a psychotic, passionate maniac. And that's what the V is. We're exciting, we're passionate. Because this is the business we belong to. So remember, raise the bar higher. Be passionate. Be exciting. Make sure the last quarter is exciting. Alright, QNet and the V will also give you a lot of excitement. But you guys just need to raise the energy. Alright, from yourself to your organization. And that energy trickles down to everyone in your organization. And what happens? More BV, bigger checks. Ultimately, that's what our goal is. Alright, help changing lives. So I love you guys. Alright, on Monday, it's Dato Sri Vijay's birthday. Alright, on October 7, my mentor and my brother, the most amazing networker and upline anyone could dream of having. And I want you guys to record short happy birthday messages like, happy birthday Dato, we love you. Now, don't give a long story. I don't want a 1 hour video. You know, Dato Sri, I first saw you in 1997. No, I first saw you in 2007. You were on stage and I heard, no. Happy birthday Dato Sri, we love you. That's all. Full stop. Or the happy birthday Dato Sri, I love you. Okay? And keep sending it to my Facebook and the V Facebook. We'll compile everything, all right, and make a beautiful video and present to him on his birthday. All right, don't tell him I said this, okay? All right, I love you guys. It's Wednesday. That means Thursday and Friday. 2 more days to close the week. Raise the bar higher. All right, passion, excitement. Am I supposed to say something else, Vicky? All right. Vicky is sitting there, you can see her. That may be a good thing or bad thing. All right, VTube, okay, registration at $15 in line with the 15th anniversary of QNet is closing on Friday.
Yeah, we extended for 1 week.
All right, closing this Friday.
Yes.
Okay, so register. You have access to thousands of videos of a lot of great uplines and this gorgeous face. All right, so I love you guys. Make sure Thursday and Friday counts. Remember, presentación. Make this last quarter exciting. So when you cross over to 2014, the momentum carries on. I don't want you to switch off in December and then it's going to be a pain to raise the momentum. Create enough energy this last quarter to cross over to 2014 smoothly. All right, I'll see you guys somewhere in the world. The V.